My name's Erin. I've been a part of the Hog team for 11 years. I'm currently managing the spare parts department of customer service. I've been married for 14 years. I've got 4 kids. It's a very busy life, and Hog makes that possible. So when I started at Hog 11 years ago, I started in the parts department. I've grown tremendously with the company, and there's just tons of potential growth. There's plenty of opportunity for you to move up in the company and take on more responsibility and fulfill that role that you've been wanting. I look after the customer service spare parts department. My favorite part about being a part of that team is we get to instill trust in our customers, sending them what they need on time, fast and in a hurry to keep them rolling. Some of the tasks that we do daily in that department is take orders from customers, make sure that they're packed, shipped out same day, communicate back to the customer when they're expected to arrive, just follow through and make sure that they have everything they need. At Hog, we value our relationships with our customers. We ensure that they're happy with the product that they're getting and want to go above and beyond to continue that relationship. Not only that, but we value the relationship with each other. Everybody's willing to step in, make the job happen, and at the end accomplish a common goal. So we have a goal of shipping 98% of spare parts orders same day they're received. Sometimes that means getting calls at 5 as you're about to walk out the door and stopping what you're doing, getting with somebody to make sure we have the right parts packed up and dropped off at FedEx on your way home. It's not uncommon that you get a call on Saturday and you have to do an emergency order for that customer. Those are the things that set Hog apart from everybody else. Sometimes we put parts in people's hands just to deliver them to the other side of the world. I'm proud to be a part of this team because I've watched the company grow tremendously from the time I started here. The company is extremely innovative, and the new products that are rolling out all the time, it's incredible. To be a part of Hog, it takes somebody who's creative and energetic and willing to do whatever it takes to get the job done. I do have 4 kids of my own, and Hog allows me to have that flexibility to be there for my kids, help raise my family, and still be a valuable team member.